Good morning. I am Tammaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijaya College, Mulki. My topic is Domestic Chemicals, Unit 2, Session 15, First BSc Elective, Program BSc, Subject Chemistry Elective, Semester 2nd, University, Mangalore, Session 15, Unit 2. Stain removers and examples. Stain removers explanation with common examples. Learning objectives to study of stain removers and commonly used solvents for stain removers. Session outcome. Student will learn explanation for the stain removers with common examples. Stain removers. Stain removers contain bleaching agent H2O2 which breaks down color causing sections of chemical structures, removing the appearance of the stain. The hydrogen peroxide is usually present in the form of sodium percarbonate, which releases hydrogen peroxide when combined with water. Stain removal is process of removing a mark or spot left by one substance on a specific surface like a fabric. A solvent or detergent is generally used to remove stains. Example, Vanish Oxy stain remover, liquid, washing powder, rin, la, shout, etc. Most stains are removed by dissolving them with a solvent. The solvent to use is dependent on two factors: the agent that causing the stain and the material fabric which undergoes stain. Different solvents will dissolve different times, and the application of some solvents is limited by the fact that they not only dissolve the stain but also dissolve the material that is stained as well. Stain is removed by different methods. A few of them are: first one, by dissolving the stain; second one, by emulsifying the stain; third one, breaking up the stain; fourth one, by hiding the stain. Commonly used solvent for stain removers: oxidizing solvent. Household bleach generally removes a stain color without dissolving the stain itself. Example, hydrogen peroxide is a bleaching agent that can be used to treat stains. Reducing solvents: sodium hydrosulfide and sodium hypochlorite normally used for removing stain and dyes colors. Lacquer solvent. Acetone is a good for removing some glues, nail polish, ink stains, rubber cement, and grease. Inert solvent. Inert solvents are those that do not react with anything in the stain. Example, water is an inert solvent for some kind of stains. In this case, dissolving the stain is not a chemical reaction but a physical process. Detergents. These can help to emulsify compounds that are insoluble in water. Example, if oil is put in water, they tend to stay separated. Acids. It helps to remove rust and stains. Example, lemon juice, phosphoric acid, oxalic acid, borax, etc. Alkalis. Alkalis help remove dirt, grass, and clay stains. Example, NaOH, KOH. Baby powder. Baby powder absorbs grease before washing, especially for a fresh stains. Glycerine. used to soften set stains, especially on the wool and non-water washable fabrics. Thank you.